Yo, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing well, doing good, all the above. Topher here, back again with another video, just giving you guys a quick update on what's going on. An event actually just popped up and appeared out of nowhere for us. It's totally my fault. It's a startup night market that's starting up in Long Beach, and I inquired about it like a few weeks ago, and I totally forgot, man. It's really my fault. I totally forgot about it. They reached out to me yesterday and reminded me about the Inquire. So here we are doing back-to-back shows. Originally, we had two events happening this month, which was on the 15th in Lakewood, and then the 23rd will be in Glendora. You know, I've never done back-to-back shows. Even when I was doing Patches and Pins Expo way back in 2020. Never done a back-to-back, so this should be fun, should be interesting, should be exciting. Aside from that, right now I am actually trying to print out a few labels. Just a hack for you guys. This is a printing label paper, like 8.5 by 11 regular paper sheet. Printed it out, cut it, and I'm placing them in all of my 4x6 prints right on the bottom right of it, just to follow me straight into the Instagram. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, man, hit that follow button. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please do hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys soon. Hopefully give you guys a recap on what's going on for this Friday. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to vlog that entire event anyway, for the Long Beach night market and also the Glendora night market. So back to back, I'll probably post that sometime soon, right after the events this weekend. I'll see you guys when I see y'all, and hope you guys tune in and enjoy yourselves. I'll see you guys. Deuces!
Flex on him real quick, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, this guy.
Dude, hold up.
Oh.
Buddy.
You got money. That's that Dubai chocolate money.
Ooh. Fresh packs, dude. Let's go. You ready?
I see something.
Oh, shit. All right, ready? Yeah, you hella fast, my bad.